What's good, YouTube? It's your boy CJ, and we back with another video. And today we're gonna be talking about what happened on Friday. So, on Thursday, you guys know that I had a pretty good day. We ended up making 1,000 on a gold trade, but on Friday it was a little bit weird. So like Friday, I ended up originally I was only looking at Nasdaq. So I was looking at a Nasdaq trade, and it should have been a win. Well, it was a winner, but I didn't get entry on it because I was looking at two different charts. So I was looking on TradingView and I was looking on Top Step, and the charts didn't match up with each other. But I think the reason was because I was looking at NQ on TradingView, and I wasn't logged into a futures broker. So I wasn't getting the real time data like Top Step. But if I was looking at Nas, like if on TradingView, if I typed in like Nas 100, then the charts would have matched up. It was kind of weird. So like, you know what I mean? So I missed entry. So then I was looking at gold. Gold, I took a liquidity grab entry on gold, and it ended up being a winner. But I didn't place my stop loss in the right place. Um, that was just me being a little bit careless. You know what I'm saying? Me not really sticking to like what I know and sticking to like, you know what I'm saying? And so I had to take that loss to the chin. We ended up losing like $200 or $300 on it. I was basically trying to cut a loss, you know what I mean? And then because of that, I ended up taking a second entry on gold, which was with the original bias that I had on gold. So the overall bias I felt like was bearish, but we did have a bullish day. And so I took a second liquidity grab entry, and we just straight up lost. So basically, like, moral is I should have been either 1-0 for the day or 2-0 for the day, and I ended up doing the opposite. So like that just goes to show that number one, you just gotta follow your plan, bro. Stick to it. So like I hope y'all end up learning from this video. You know what I mean? And number two is like you gotta remember with these prop firm challenges, like it goes to show like how quickly like things could flip, because I could have easily made another 1,000 for the day, and we would have been up, or maybe even like 500-600. You know what I mean? And we'd only been 1 to 2 trades away from passing the challenge. But now you have to remember we got a trailing drawdown, and we ended up losing basically almost all the profit that we made on Thursday. So now I have like a little bit less room to work with, and I still have to make 3,000. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna show you guys the clips of everything, and just like keep in mind, like I think we're still fine. Like I'm still confident in that, like we'll still pass it, but you know what I mean. I've never done a futures prop firm. I've done forex prop firms. They're a little bit different, but I don't like that trailing drawdown shit. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, so we going next week though, we're gonna come back. We're gonna do the same thing. We're not trading on Monday because of Memorial Day. But yeah, we're gonna come back on Tuesday and Wednesday and Thursday. We're gonna do the same exact thing. As far as like sticking to our like trading, like we gotta get back on schedule. We gotta stick to our trading plan. You know what I mean? You'll see that on Thursday. I mean on Friday, I didn't 100% like stick to my plan based off of where I put my stop loss. You know what I mean? On my first trade that I took, which kind of like fucked up the rhythm. You know what I mean? So yeah, we gonna play the clips, and then y'all see. So I hope y'all learn from this, and learn from my mistake. You know what I mean? So yeah, let's go. The fuck? Oh shit. Yo. Fuck it. All right. Well, we in gold right now. So fuck it. That was weird as fuck. I didn't know that was like a like I didn't know that would happen. Gold looking like it don't even want to push up either. I might damn. Like I still am bearish on gold, but I thought maybe we could get some short-term buys up into here, especially because we had the liquidity grab. So if it takes us out, then like damn, but And I could throw my stop loss under here, but I don't want it that deep.
Order filled.
This how we'd have been able to get something off of this. It's just that I didn't want to have a 60 pip stop loss. That was the only problem. So I mean, so like I threw it right here. I think it would, yeah, I threw a stop loss right there for 20 pips, I think, or 25 pips. So I think I got in like a little bit higher. It's probably something like this. So like we could have avoided this loss by just putting it under here like normally on this type of entry. I know I have never went over this type of entry for you guys, but it's all right. So I just didn't want to have a 60 pip stop loss. So like that's a loss that I gotta just take to the chin. So right now I'm looking for the same type of entry. Um, the only difference is that um it's to the sell side. So same type of entry, meaning liquidity grab. So as you can see, like we took out these highs and we rejected, but we broke these highs. So the question is, can we start falling back down into our bearish bias? But yeah, I expect price to continue down um and give us a nice slow push down. So this entry is just we broke the highs. We closed back in the range bearish. Now we should expect to fall with our bearish bias, which is coming down to this level. As of right now, you do have to watch out for this support that was formed. But if we could keep dropping, if we could flip on this hour, then we Gucci. So that's what we're looking at right now. Hopefully prices don't just shoot up on us.
Order filled.
It that has take away most of the profit that we made yesterday. So we kind of like basically starting at step one again. Which is it's cool. Next week we have a better week. Damn, we almost went undefeated this week. I took 2 losses today. The crazy part is Nas fucking won twice on off of this demand. There was a winner, and then this demand it was a winner. It would have been a very short term winner, but like I mean, shit. I would have probably only held this move. I probably wouldn't have even taken this. I would have probably been off the charts after this. But and then the gold liquidity grab that I took earlier, if I would have just threw my stop loss under here, that was a winner too. For we'd be up 60 pips right now running. But yeah, so we gonna, yeah, next week we'll be back. And then hopefully next week we end up just passing the challenge. We could get a couple nice trades. We only gotta win like, we probably gotta win like 3 out of the 5 days, maybe 4 out of the 5 days, and we'll pass the challenge. It's cool. But all right, y'all. So yeah, that's it. That's all I got for y'all. So we out of here. Have a good rest of your weekend. I'll try to post this sometime today or something. All right.